My name's Aaron Massey from MrFixItDIY.com, and today I'm here to share 10 DIY ways to warm your home and lower your heat bill. We're in the heart of winter now, and whether you're using electric heat, gas, or some other form of heat this winter, your energy bills are likely starting to pile up. So today I'm here to share a few ways that you can warm your home this winter and actually lower your energy bills. Number one is to seal drafty and old single pane windows with heat shrink plastic and a blow dryer. Old windows are one of the biggest offenders when it comes to creating frigid drafts in your home. Updating your windows in the heart of winter isn't the best option in much of the country, but luckily you can easily add some R value to your home by adding heat shrink plastic over old windows. The process is very simple. Start by measuring your window. Next, cut the plastic slightly larger than the size of your window opening. Then use the included double-sided tape to go all the way around the window frame. And then install the plastic around the window frame, securing it to the double-sided tape and smoothing it out. Once the plastic is installed, go over it with the heat setting on your blow dryer to make the plastic tight and remove any bubbles. Number two is to seal other drafty areas and any holes around your home with spray foam insulation. One specific area to consider is sealing around electrical outlets on exterior walls. In older homes, oftentimes the areas around electrical boxes are poorly sealed, which can lead to drafts coming in around the outlets. Use some spray foam to seal around those areas and prevent drafts from coming in. Number three is to change the direction of your ceiling fans. One of the easiest ways to make your home warmer is to reverse the direction of your ceiling fans in the winter. Since warm air rises, make sure your ceiling fans are set in a clockwise direction in the winter to push the warm air down, and reverse them to counterclockwise in the summer. Number four is to lower your hot water heater temperature a few degrees. Now this might sound a little counterintuitive, but with the colder temperatures outside and typically inside, lowering your water heater temperature a few degrees will still feel hot to you, and it will lower the amount of energy you are using to keep the water hot. Now this isn't a huge savings, but can add up to a lot less energy used over time. Number five is to replace your furnace air filters regularly and make sure your cold air returns are clean and clear. Your air filter should be replaced regularly at least every 3 months, depending on your usage. Changing your filters regularly makes the air quality in your home better and ensures proper functioning of your furnace so it isn't having to work too hard, which ultimately costs you more and can shorten the life of the unit. If you're looking for a great place to buy your air filters, this video is sponsored by FilterBuy. FilterBuy is a direct-to-consumer HVAC filter provider, and they manufacture and ship all filters within 24 hours from the time you order. You can easily sign up for a subscription service by entering your filter sizes on the website and setting how often you'd like to have them delivered. There's no middleman, no extra trips to the big box store, and no need to set a reminder for when you need to change your filters. They show up when you need to change them and save you 5% when you sign up. Best of all, they're a family-owned company and they're manufactured and shipped from right here in the US. I've signed up for the service and the filters arrive every 3 months, and I've been really happy with it so far. So thank you to FilterBuy for making this video possible, and make sure you check out their website at the link in the description down below. Number six is to weather strip exterior doors if not already done, or inspect that current ones are in good shape. Broken, damaged, or poorly installed weather stripping around doors can be a huge culprit when it comes to drafts flowing in. Check the weather stripping around your doors for cracking or dry rot, and replace it if it shows signs of wear. Number seven is to use door sweeps and draft guards on doors to keep heat in and cold out. Make sure your door sweeps are installed correctly so that you don't have drafts coming from underneath the door. In colder climates, it's pretty easy to tell if you have a problem because you may have a small amount of snow built up around the bottom of the door. You can also use a laser thermometer like this one to search for drafty areas around your home. I'll place a link in the description down below for where you can find it. Number eight is to use a programmable thermostat to set a schedule and lower your home's temperature when you're not at home or you're at work. Installing a Nest thermostat or some of the other smart thermostats out there is a simple way to make sure that you're being as efficient as possible with your energy usage. You can easily set a schedule on your phone to automatically adjust the temperature when you're not home, and you can monitor your usage over time and even compare your home to other homes in your area to see how efficient your schedule and your home actually are. Number nine is to close chimney flues on fireplaces when not in use, and consider adding an insulated cover to the fireplace if it's not being used. An open chimney flue is a direct shot for cold air to enter your home. Since cold air falls, the chimney can act as an unimpeded pipe for cold air to enter your home and for warmer air to literally escape up the chimney. Closing and insulating the fireplace when not in use is a great way to minimize this. And lastly, if you're looking to add even more efficiency to your fireplace, consider replacing your old wood-burning fireplace with a wood-burning stove, or adding a new fireplace insert into your existing fireplace opening to offset your heating bill. Traditional fireplaces lose the majority of their heat out the chimney rather than radiating it out through the room. New fireplace inserts and wood stoves provide heat more efficiently and cut down on energy costs. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you get your energy bills under control this winter. If you like this content, I encourage you to check out my new home improvement podcast, the How To Home Podcast, which is available on all the major podcast platforms, and the condensed versions of each episode are available right here on my YouTube channel every Tuesday. We talk about all things home to help you guys get the most out of your DIY and home improvement projects, so I hope you guys check it out, and I hope you enjoy it. And as always, if you'd like to check out any more of my DIY home improvement videos or content, you can always find them on my website at mrfixitdiy.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.